So there I was at Vaughn's, and we found Surging Sparks. All right, I'm just gonna rip these open and see what beautiful cards we get. Code card.
Too late.
Basic Energy. Charcadet. Spheal. Capsicid. Larvesta. Clement's Quick Wit. Haldean Tauros. Deduction Kit. Delmise Reverse. Centiscorch Reverse. Dialga, bruh. Oh, what a tease.
Well, that was fun.
Rip the other one.
Rip the other one?
Yeah, might as well.
Alright.
You never know. Pack number 2 from Code card. Yeet. Basic Energy. Alolan Diglett.
Oh, my favorite.
Volcarona.
Togepi.
Togepi. Blitzel. Shiinotic. Babbery Berry. Magneton. Helioptile. Shreddle. And Landorus.
Wah, wah,
Let's go.
wah. Let's flip it and rip it.
Ah, she got it!
Keep your Togepi.
Advance.